This is 41 Fern Street in Bangor. It's in the Tree Streets section of Bangor. It's a nice, quiet residential street. It's quite close to the hospital. It's right off State Street. This is a 3-unit building. There's 3 floors. It's 1 apartment on each floor. The apartments are quite spacious. And one unique feature about this unit is it does have a garage. There's 1 garage bay for each unit. And the main entry to the building is on this little porch side. The mailboxes are at the front of the building. Another nice feature of this building is that each unit does have its own washer dryer included, which is down in the basement. This is the door that goes to the basement. So again, each unit does have its own washer and dryer, not just the hookups. So this unit is on the 2nd floor. It's unit number 2 that we're going to look at. Each apartment does have its own keypad entry as well. So the tenant who's living here now is actually in the process of moving. This unit just had a kitchen renovation a couple of years ago. All new countertops. It had a dishwasher installed, new appliances. New flooring. It's a good-sized kitchen. It is an eat-in kitchen if you want. There's a table right here that this tenant has in front of the 2 windows. Over here to the right is the bathroom. There's also a closet right here. And the bath was recently done. It is a full bath. Shower and tub. It does have a window. This is actually a 2-bedroom, plus it has a bonus room. This is one of the bedrooms. This tenant's using it for storage. It does have a closet. And this has hardwood floors, actual hardwood. And then out through the kitchen here, we have a living room. This is a fairly large living room. It does have carpet in it. Also has some built-ins over here, which were original. The owner did decide to leave them in. They're in pretty good condition, been nicely renovated, but it's nice to have those. Has some drawers and some shelves. That has a couple of windows. And then over here is a kind of bonus room. Could be used as an office, again, or storage. This has wood floors as well. And it also does have a closet over in the corner. And this door actually goes out into the hallway. There's some stairs that go down to the front door, which nobody uses. It goes out onto Fern Street, but nobody uses that. People actually come and go through the side door off the driveway. So this is the bedroom, the main bedroom. Again, this is carpeted. And this also has a very large walk-in closet. Let's have a window, some shelving. There are some poles up there for hanging clothes. So again, this is a 2-bedroom plus bonus room on the second floor. The owner pays for heat, water, sewer, snow plowing, lawn, so tenant pays for electric. Does have a washer dryer included, also a garage. So if you're interested, contact us at rentbangor.com or 207-974-6606.